Hindi kasi, sa manual kasi natin, 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you must file the protest. But, ano naman, syempre, we will still accept their protest. And then, we should still act on it, basically. Yun naman. Hindi naman natin yan. Although, yun nga, the rule states it's within 1 hour.
Kung sa tingin saan papunta yung protest na, do you think it has merit? Ano pong mangyayari natin?
I will see. We have to wait, no? Kung ano yung kanilang magiging argument. Tapos from there, siguro sasagot kami. But we still need to see. Kasi nagiging basis lang ngayon is yung nangyari. But we have kumbaga, based on, we just base everything on the rules, no? Sa NetCode rules, tsaka yung ating challenge rules.
Kumbaga, the league will stick with yung explanation niyo po kanina na yun po yung...
No, yun lang magiging basihan. Kaya nga, I need to wait for their protest. So, to see, baka may na-miss ako na hindi ko alam. So, just to give them the benefit of the chance also.
Sir, given po ng strong protest or it has valid points, well, we don't know yet since we don't have the papers yet. Is there any chance that the results of the game will be revoked or more of it is a call for actions?
Well, there will be action but how we will act on it, hindi ko pa masagot.